All right, let's talk a little bit about cleaning your house. I know sometimes I get people that push back on this, but it really makes a difference when your house is clean. So, what are the important things to clean? Well, I think first of all, you need to think about your windows. Having your windows clean is very important. Your kitchen and bathrooms are very important. And that could mean even, your cabinet spaces, sometimes inside your cabinets. Maybe you want to have your pantries just decluttered a little bit. Something people often miss is the ceiling fans. I've seen a lot of homes where I look at the ceiling fans and there's about a 1/4 inch of dust on them. Another thing is your vents in your bathroom in particular, but also the vents on the floor. Just make sure those are cleaned up. So these are some things that you want to start cleaning. It's not a bad idea to hire a professional, somebody that does this for a living. I'm happy to recommend some professionals. They kind of know, a lot of professionals know what's needed when you're listing a home. But I'll tell you, when I show a house and it's nice and clean, it makes the buyer feel a lot better about the house they're buying. A part of that deep cleaning includes your smells. So if you do have some smells in your house that maybe are not the better smells, you might want to think about that too. And we're happy to help you with that as well. We call it the 3 C's: cat pee, cigarettes, and curry. Those are 3 smells that when somebody comes in can be a real turn off on their house. And those are things that can be dealt with, and we're happy to talk to you about that as well. But there are other smells. I'm sure if you've been in a house that has a funky smell, sometimes it's just that it's a little damp. So putting a dehumidifier in the basement might be a good way to deal with that. Anyways, happy to talk to you more about the deep clean, happy to recommend cleaners for your house. If you want to do it yourself, happy to give you as much advice as we can. But it is really important as you get your house ready for market that you do a deep clean.